The Pure Juicer two-stage juicer PJ-2 excels with its innovative two-stage cold press process, efficiently grinding produce into a fine pulp before using a powerful hydraulic press to extract every vital drop of juice. This premium juicer is a versatile kitchen companion, capable of creating nutrient-dense juices and functioning as an excellent food processor for baby food, nut milk, dips, soups, and even vegan ice cream. Intuitive to operate, the Pure Juicer is ready to use right out of the box and features stainless steel parts that are easily removable and dishwasher safe, simplifying the cleaning process. With its ability to grind through peels and tough ingredients like watermelon rinds, this juicer captures the full flavor and nutrients of fruits and vegetables, delivering up to 50% more juice than conventional models. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the Pure Juicer is engineered for longevity and comes with a 12-year warranty, ensuring a long-lasting investment in your health. Designed with a focus on health and performance, this juicer is a testament to its manufacturer's commitment to quality, making it a reliable choice for health-conscious individuals.